Hey everyone, and welcome to my first YouTube tutorial, the Super Magic Ring. Let's get started. Start by making a finger gun and hold the tail of the yarn in the 3 closed fingers. Take the working yarn over the top of your index finger and wrap it around your fingertip. Wrap it around your finger again, but this time create a cross. Bring the yarn down the back of the hand, under the back of the pinky, and finally back into the 3 fingers. You should now have a cross and a vertical line on the underside of your finger. Take your hook and turn your hand over. On the top of the finger are 2 loops around the fingertip and another stretching over the hand. Insert your hook under the 2 loops on the fingertip. Now take your hook over the loop on the hand and pull it through. Roll your hook upwards and point it in the direction of your knuckles. Rotate your hand so your finger is pointing away from you. Grab the yarn on your hand and pull it through the loop on the hook. Remove the yarn from your finger, but don't tighten this loop. This is your super magic ring. Before we work our stitches into the ring, notice that, unlike normal magic rings, this one has 2 strands to work through, as well as the tail. When working your stitches into the ring, ensure you are working around all 3 strands of yarn. Once you have completed your stitches in the ring, move the tail out of the way and take a look at the 2 remaining strands. Slowly pull the tail until you can see which strand tightens. As soon as you can see that, stop pulling the tail and let it go. Now, grab the strand which tightened when you pulled the tail and pull this instead. This will close the magic ring, but you will be left with a large loop. Once the ring is closed, pull the tail again and the loop will disappear. What you are left with is a magic ring which has been reinforced to stop any unraveling. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments how you get on, and of course, thanks for watching.